Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solaxy token, or Solaxy, however you want to pronounce it. This is a new pre-sale, ticker symbol SOLX. Their webpage is solaxy.io, and obviously this token is on the Solana blockchain. I'm assuming it is. I haven't checked yet, but that would make sense. It actually might be on the Ethereum blockchain because the first thing that popped up is ETH, but that would be crazy if they called the token Solaxy and made it an Ethereum token, but I'm going to check here in 1 second. This is an ICO, an initial coin offering that they're having on their own webpage here. We're going to go over the information on this token. They have two different audits here, one by CoinSalt and one by Solid Proof, and we're going to check both of the audits here to make sure that there's no red flags here. And yeah, we're going to do all that in just 1 second here, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Solaxy is about to change Solana forever. It's the brand new Solana Layer 2 blockchain with light speed, unmatched scalability, and purpose-built customizations. Solaxy doesn't just build on Solana, it unlocks its full potential. As the native token of the Solaxy L2 network, Solx fuels the revolution, a future-focused solution for the next wave of blockchain adoption. So actually this could be just a, like an EVM blockchain or something that's not on the Solana blockchain at all. And, anyways, we'll check the audits here in a second. We can check right now, actually. It is on the Ethereum blockchain. So I assumed it was on Solana, and of course, I'm wrong, and this token is on Ethereum. It's on the ETH blockchain. So if you are going to get this token later on, if you're watching this video way later on, after the pre-sale is over, you would be getting the Solaxy token off of Uniswap and not Radium. So that's, that's that. Anyways. The problem here, it says congestion. Solana's performance is limited during high traffic, leading to network bottlenecks and downtime. Scalability limits. Solana faces challenges scaling to meet the demands of an ever-growing ecosystem, and failed transactions. Network overload makes for unreliable transaction execution, which is a pain point for users and devs. Now, the solution, Solaxy, neutralizes these pain points by off-chain processing. Offloading transactions to Layer 2 reduces the data burden on Solaxy's Layer 1, ensuring faster and smoother operations. Also, transaction bundling, batch processing, optimizing scalability, keeping costs low and throughput high. And Layer 1 settlement. So Solaxy inherits Solana's robust security by finalizing bundled transactions on the mainnet. So they have epic customization, efficiency, and performance to combat the failed transactions, network congestion, scalability limitations, and a small ecosystem. Solaxy, the engine behind the Layer 2 revolution, by combining the strengths of Solana with the innovative roll-up architecture. Solaxy enhances the user experience for both developers and end users. Why roll-ups are vital to Solana. So as the adoption of blockchain technology grows, so does the demand on existing networks. Solana often experiences congestion during high activity peak times. The results are slower transaction speeds and failed transactions, and Solaxy Rollup addresses these challenges. Some of the features of Solaxy L2 is the fastest chain ever. Solaxy outperforms Solana while delivering speed-of-light transaction times, even during peak times. Zero downtime. By executing transactions off-chain, Solaxy eliminates downtime and ensures uninterrupted service during network surges. And full customization. Developers can create tailored dApps with Solaxy's modular infrastructure, optimizing performance for any use case. And meme coin galaxies. Solaxy's scalability is perfect for the high transaction volumes driven by meme coins and other assets. So the presale and staking, the Solx presale offers early adopters the chance to purchase tokens at the lowest possible price with incremental price increases in each phase. Staking is available during the presale, allowing participants to lock up additional tokens and earn rewards. Then the TGE after the presale, Solx will be listed on central and decentralized exchanges. Staked tokens and presale purchases will become claimable on launch. So they have the roadmap here. Launch of the Solx token presale, incentives for staking during the presale, community building and outreach. Phase 2, token generation event, listing on central exchanges and decentral exchanges. Community participation. Phase 3, full deployment of the Solaxy Layer 2, onboarding the dApps and multi-chain integration, scalability enhancement and feature rollouts. Phase 4, partnership development, adoption in Solaxy for high volume use cases and continued innovation. Now, on their webpage, if you go to Solaxy.io, they have the countdown to the next phase. So far, they've raised $611,461, so over $500,000. You can connect your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet. You would fund your wallet with ETH, USDT, or BNB, or you could pay with credit card. Then you connect your wallet, you put in how much, say, ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Solx tokens you get for that amount. Click purchase. You could stake your tokens. When the presale is over, then you can claim them. Now, besides all that, we could check out their two quick audits here. So they have a CoinSalt audit. Let's see if the solid proof one will pop up here. Looks like the solid proof audit is not popping up for some reason. Let me try again. Yeah, so the solid proof audit doesn't seem to pop up when I click on it. Maybe you could click on it somewhere else. But it should work just by clicking on the solid proof audit on their webpage. Doesn't seem to work, but the CoinSalt audit does work. Now it says total issues 0, no pending, no acknowledged, no resolved because there is no issues. No high risk, no medium, no low, no informational issues. Now it says no mint function, no blacklist function, no honeypot option, no high sell fees, and trading is enabled. Contract audited, no KYC though, so just be aware of that. And you can check out the full audit report, but it doesn't have any big issues on this audit whatsoever. It's on the Ethereum blockchain, it says. Solaxy is the name. Solx is the token symbol. There's a ton of tokens here. That is like, that's 3, that's a million. Looks like 138 billion? 138 billion, 46 million tokens, it says. There's no commas there, so I had to count out the zeros. But yeah, go check this token out, Solaxy.io. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.